Hi guys, I am back with a dip powder mini. So this is Sparkle & Co.'s June subscription bag. I paid for the $29.99 a month dip powder subscription. And so as I mentioned in the previous subscription bag, my liquids were mixed up. So on this one it said that I was supposed to get matte finish, but I ended up getting the pill base that was supposed to be in the May subscription bag. So this one is summer themed. And of course it has the appropriate stickers in here. I meant to say appropriate confetti pieces. I don't know what I'm talking about. And so the colors were kind of like a pastel type neon, light neon colors. So they were nice and vibrant. And so again, here's the pill base that I kind of don't like their pill base. Just me personally, it works, but if you put on more than one coat, it kind of cracks like glue. Like if you put Elmer's glue on your skin. I don't know if you ever did that as a little kid in school, but that's what it reminds me of. It starts cracking. It still works. Plus, when I use their pill base, the application doesn't come off in one solid piece. And so we have color Happy Girl Summer. This is Flocktail Hour. And it came with 4 dip powders. And we have Peach Beach. And the last dip powder, which I'm waiting for it to come up on the screen because I'm doing this voiceover, is Baywatch. And so these were nice spring or summer appropriate colors. Again, that's Happy Girl Summer, nice kind of pastel neon. I know pastel neon don't go together, but a light neon pink. And then Baywatch is kind of an orange color, reminds me of melon. And Peach Beach kind of looks more yellow. I don't know if it's like light yellow or light orange. And then we have Flocktail Hour, which that one should have been called Peach Beach. But what do I know? Nothing. So here are the swatch sticks closer together. And of course, if you got the I Want It All, you're going to get more dip powder colors. I'm just not paying all that money. That's just So I decided to do a mini using Happy Girl Summer and Baywatch, which I do kind of like an ombre using my pipettes. And so again, Baywatch and Happy Girl Summer is what I chose. I have my cuticle stick from Shein.com. I have 2 pipettes. And I will be using Sparkle & Co.'s regular dip liquid, so I'm wearing my respirator. I have 2 reusable mini cupcake silicone cupcake liners. And I have applied 2 coats of UNT Peel Off Base Coat. So guys, just hang out with me while I do this dip powder application. So guys, at this point I am doing my ombre. I'm just using my pipette and kind of turning my finger on one side, applying the dip powder, tapping it off, and then turning my finger the opposite direction to apply the other color. And I will do that on my index finger and my ring finger. And so on the second application, I'll start with the other color next and then repeat. Does it make a perfect ombre? Nope, but it makes a pretty good ombre. Now for this in this particular application, my cuticles, I don't know, them things was tore up. Like, I don't know what was going on, but they look bad. But you know, it's okay. It is what it is at this point. Before I activate my nails to harden the dip powder, I'm just going in with this 180. I think it's a 180 grit file from Double Dip. I think it's Double Dip Nails, and just trying to go along that cuticle area to try to clean that up. I don't know what was going on when I did this set, but my cuticles haven't been this tore up in a long time. But I was trying to clean that off before I activate. It's kind of easier to get any excess dip powder off while it's still soft, but you want to be careful because again, the dip powder is not hard, it's soft. And I think one nail I end up over fouling. But anyway, so after I do this, try to do cleanup as best as possible. I'm going to activate and then do my fouling and buff it off camera. So I've done my filing and buffing, and I'm going in and using these water decals that I got from Shein.com. I think this was part of my Shein nail haul. I got these, and so I just didn't want to leave them plain. Y'all know I got to put something on there. Some rhinestones, stickers, water decals, or foil, something, stamping. So I'm just gonna do my usual method with that, and I'll be back.